The following accounts were recorded on KKD's unadjusted trial balance at the end of year 3. They had a debit to accounts receivables of $500,000. They had a debit to the allowance for uncollectible accounts on those accounts receivables of $25,000, and they had a credit of sales of $1.2 million. So KKD applies the percentage of sales method and estimates that 5% will become uncollectible in year 3. So after the adjustment at December 31st, the allowance for uncollectible accounts will have increased by which of the following? So first thing to note here is that we are asking for the increase to our allowance for uncollectibles. So what do we remember will increase our allowance for uncollectibles? So this is generally going to be our current year bad debt expense. And we can also increase this by the recovery of certain uncollectibles that were written off. But we have nothing to do with write-offs or recoveries of write-offs in this question. So we're just going to focus on our bad debt expense. So this is what is going to be increasing our allowance. So we know here what else? We know that we're using the percentage of sales method. So this is going to be an income statement approach. We're estimating that 5% of our sales are uncollectible. So 5% times 1.2 million is what? 60,000. So point and simple, bad debt expense is what's going to be increasing the allowance. That is what we are increasing our allowance for uncollectibles by. That is really as simple as this is. We also note in the solution that we are going to be debiting our bad debt expense, and we are going to be crediting our allowance for uncollectibles. So that's going to be the journal entry associated with this as well.